Hi, welcome to Unit 6, Day 3. This is the instructions for what you're going to be doing with this practice document. So the practice document is divided into a review on the first page. At the bottom of that first page are the instructions for how to navigate the examples. The next page has the example problems. And then the third page has the practice. And then the last couple of pages has the answer key and solutions for the examples and the answer key and solutions for the practice. Okay, so how do you navigate this document? First off, starting with the review. The review is sort of optional since we covered this in Day 2, but it is useful. And in terms of the review, it's just going over sort of the molar mass things and how we calculate molar mass, which you'll be applying here. And then it sort of introduces you into the what we'll be doing in today's lesson. Now remember, there was a play pause it in the previous lesson that you were supposed to do. It's a real simple play pause it, pretty short. You just answer the question at the two questions at the end, and they're, you're guaranteed to get them right, to get 100%. So you definitely want to do that before you do this. If you have watched the play pause it before, but you would like a refresher and don't want to go through the play pause it again, in this folder I have linked the previous YouTube video, so you can just watch that if you've done the play pause it and you've got your 100 points for that. All right, so it's super important that you review the information from the previous lesson. Now going into the examples. After you've done the review, we're going to go into examples where we're converting from mass to moles and moles to mass in a one-step conversion process. And for each example, there is a video that's next to it. Now, you don't have to watch the video to complete the examples. You may have a sense from the preview in the last lesson of what to do, and you may want to try it first, and then go down to the third page or so and then check your work, okay? And the answers are going to be boxed in this pink magenta labeled as the find. So if you're looking for what the answer is, that's where you would find it, boxed in pink here. Okay, so you could try and do that first, then check your answers, and then use the videos if you get stuck. You may want to only do them for problems that look trickier to you. So you don't have to watch all of the videos. The choice is yours. The other option that you have, which is helpful for people who want to get a sense of what they're doing first. So if you want to get a sense of what you're supposed to be doing before you start looking at the answer key, you can watch the summary video. So you can do this before. You may also want to watch this summary video after, if you've looked at a couple of videos and you kind of have a sense of what to do, but it's not 100% clear and you want to just sort of summarize it, get a summary of what you're doing. This summary video is linked up here in the instructions, okay? So you have options about what you want to do for the examples. Again, you don't need to watch all the videos, but you're more than welcome to, your choice. Now comes the practice. There are no videos to show you how to do the practice, but after you do the practice, at the end, there's the answer key, which is just if you want to quickly check your answers to see if they're right or wrong. And then underneath that are the solutions. So you can look at the solutions and say, oh, that's where my mistake is. I didn't calculate the molar mass. So that is how you would do that. Now, if you get something wrong, you want to check and correct it. After you've finished this, you're welcome to go on and try the exit ticket. It only has 5 questions, or you may want to do the additional online practice. Totally up to you how much time you want to spend on this. The rest of the day is for you to work on catch-up work from Unit 4 and Unit 5 materials if you're missing. All right, that's it for this video, folks. Have a quality day.